Hi guys. Okay, so excuse the look today. I'm like literally still in my pajamas. It's probably after 2 p.m. I haven't been sleeping this whole time. I've just been cleaning and trying on this lipstick, which I like. Not so much with my jammies, but yes. So, and I'm filming on my phone right now because both of my cameras are dead and being difficult. So what I want to do today is kind of show you my YouTube studio slash office slash craft room, but it is a hot mess. It has been baseball season here at our house, which means that we don't have time to do anything except go to the ballpark and be there like all the time. And we're going to clean out the space and kind of give it a little bit of an overhaul. Not much because I just don't have a lot of time. It's Sunday. I got to work tomorrow. But we're going to thinking about switching some things around. So let me turn you around so you can see what we're dealing with. This is my foyer. I've got my dining room over there. A little Roomba making a lot of noise. But seriously, you guys, my house is disgusting, so I can't stop it. So this is the space. We're going into my office. This is like my Mother's Day balloon. It's June now. It is a hot mess right now. So as you can see, here's my lighting. Just a mess here. This is the room that everything goes to die when the rest of the house, you know, when I'm trying to clean. This is where everything gets shoved by everyone in the family. So it's actually a really awesome room, which when not a mess is great. But right now it is horrible. So I've got to like clean out my recycling. We've got like Easter stuff still here. We've just got a lot going on. So this is where I usually sit and, you know, where I work. And there's both of my cameras who are trying to upload slash charge right now. So this is the before. And I am not going to be like having my, you know, recording myself the whole day because I just want to get this done. But I thought I'd show you the before and then I'll give you a little tour of the after when it's not disgusting anymore. I'm sharing a lot about myself right now, letting you see this, guys. But I think it's important. There's my grandma and grandpa. Hi, guys. Reen and Reese. Love them. Okay, so I'll be back, and hopefully this mess will not. Okay, guys. I have finished the reorganization slash just general tidying of my office slash craft room slash studio. So here is the tour. So when you first walk in, I still have my Mother's Day balloon. That got kept. So this is like, because this is my craft room, I've got a lot going on in here. So that's a lot of crochet stuff up there. And then this is my needs to be fixed shelf. In here is just craft storage, which I am not going to show you because if I open the doors, everything will fall out. That though, I did buy that on Craigslist for super cheap, and it was a like peach color, and I did paint it using white like latex enamel paint that Sherwin-Williams makes, and it is really good. It has been painted for several years now, and I don't have any chips or anything. So this is like my planner storage area, all my washi tape and such. That is just like where I've got my studio light bags and extra backdrops and stuff. So right now I have my backdrop thing. I just put it next to the work counter because it was across the back window there, which these curtains are a wreck. I've got to redo them. I made them and it's just not a good situation. But I had it across the back because I usually sit here at my desk, and I'm trying to think of some different ways to go about this because I need access to my windows during the summer. I just got to have my windows open. So I'm thinking of maybe sitting here and maybe putting my camera over there and having the backdrop behind me, or maybe just having my, you know, crafting area behind me because it's kind of a cool little setup. So this is all of the stuff. Everything is labeled and all the bins came from everywhere. Okay, who else has OCD? This gotta be fixed here. That's not gonna work. Okay, we gotta scoot that guy over, this guy over. Okay, that's good for now. The bins all came from like Dollar Tree, Target, Big Lots, like wherever I could find bins that worked with this. And it used to be a little less crowded, but I just need more storage space, so I had to cram some things in. This is like planner supplies, and then we've got all these this little system from IKEA here hanging on the backsplash, which was custom made by my dad. There's some more planner pens. I had 3 of these chairs, but also have 3 kids and they broke them. So that's the last one. Underneath is some discontinued cabinets that they used to sell at IKEA. And then these are the butcher blocks from IKEA, these desk areas. And then my dad made the backsplash to go with, so it's got the shelf on the top. These shelves came from Home Depot, as did the pretty cool brackets that I thought just went better with the style of this room. Like I said, I made these curtains. They're a Roman shade kind of thing, but they're completely dyed by the sun, well, washed out, faded, but it was a really cool project. I will line the next set, but I used like regular old like $3 blinds from Home Depot, and you take all the middle ones out and then glue your fabric on, and it makes a Roman shade, which is really, really cool. So I actually probably will do this same, see when it rolls up correctly, it looks really nice. I probably will do this same style again when I redo the curtains for this room. So that's like the mess under the desk area that I was like, I'm not going to show them that, but I might as well. And then this is like a lot going on over here. But I mean, what can you do? There's just a lot that goes in this room. This piece right there, that like this thing, I just got this at a garage sale and I just thought it was cool and wanted to work it. And I was going to put it up there, but then it covers up Audrey. My husband hates that thing. He's like, we're not in college. You shouldn't have a poster. But I love her. She is like my spirit animal. I love you, Audrey. Yes, girl. So I don't know. Things are just kind of stacked here, but this is working for me for now. There's scrapbooking supplies in there. Just like my planner and things like that there. We collect C's. So there's one that I just got as a gift from a wonderful special person. Shout out to Miss N. And then these guys came from Menards. These little slidey things. I think they came in a 2-pack, and I do have them labeled, although it's dangerous to label anything, etc. Like mail, books, receipts, etc. I keep my camera stuff in there for my YouTubing. And then here are all my lights. I have 2 umbrella lights and 2 soft boxes. And then my, my old school beauty mirror that I took out of my room when I redid that. And then this is just kind of where I sit. And this desk was also made it was from IKEA, or the separate desktops are from IKEA. And then this cabinet underneath is also from IKEA. It is the Molax or Kalax. I'm not sure. I'll see if I can find it. And then this, but we need to paint that. Oops. This base, my dad made this frame for these I have 4 of these tabletops that they sell there for like $6. They're a little chipped. I have 4 of these, and then he created this frame thing with a leg over here to hold the whole thing up. So this half of the desk is held up by that cabinet, and then this half of the desk is held up by the thing that my dad made. So it's really nice. It's a custom piece of furniture. The cubes there, the furniture itself came from Michael's with a coupon. And then the covers on here, I really love this actually, but this is a banker's box, and I just bought a 10-pack. And then these are the lids, and I cut the lid to fit the space and just covered it with contact paper that matched, the rest of the space really well. It's very similar to my curtains. And then I just pop it on there. So now from this side of the desk, it just looks really nice, and you don't see all the crap. From the other side of the desk, it is a hot mess, but that's okay. I do have some stuff kind of hidden under there, which, makes it look a little junky, but what can you do? I have a lot of stuff. And one thing that helps in here is just having everything labeled. It really makes life easier when you have a lot of craft supplies. I am a big time crafter. I am into scrapbooking, and look, there's all the mess that I cleaned out of here, which all needs to go to different places in the house. I'll get to that later. So I'm into paper crafting and jewelry. Occasionally I like to sew. I really love the planner thing. Um, I do a little bit of everything, rubber stamping, soap making. I'm a big crocheter. Here's a couple of my buckets of yarn over here by the window. And there's my neighborhood. Hey, neighborhood. Um, so yeah, this space is pretty awesome. I really love being in here, especially when it's clean. So I was filming here before, sitting here at the desk, and I had the backdrop behind me and the camera right where I'm standing. And I don't know what I want to do moving forward. So if you have any ideas based on this space and where you think I should sit in here and film and backdrop, and I'd love to use this natural lighting over here at the window. I just don't know. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. So this is just a little tour of my office slash studio. Okay guys, well, oh my gosh, do I look like hell? Sometimes that's just how it goes on a Sunday. I am still in my pajamas. It's several hours later. It's like 6 p.m. And I will take a shower to get in new pajamas. I have been busy, hard at work all day, all around the house, and sometimes it's just how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the little tour of my office slash craft room slash studio. And if you have any ideas or things that you'd love to see that are similar to this, just let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really enjoyed the video, I'd love it if you subscribed and even told your friends about me. And don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Thanks so much for coming with me on this adventure. Keep coming back and take care of you.